Hi everyone, what I have here is the Givi extension stand. I will be installing this onto a 2018 BMW R1200RT. This particular extension stand will actually fit BMW RT 1200RTs from 2014 through 2018. Okay. As you can see here from the picture, what it does, it actually expands or doubles the size of the surface of your kickstand for the BMWs. So let's go ahead and open it up, see what we have inside. And we have the side stand extension. Just a Givi pamphlet. Quality control, and then we've got the installation instructions. Yep, the installation instructions. I don't think we really need that. To install this, you are going to need a T25 screwdriver. As you can see, it doesn't use hex, it uses the star pattern. Looks pretty nice. Nice and smooth. Alright, let's go ahead and get this thing installed on the bike and see how it looks when it's completed. Okay, and here we are. Here's the side stand for the BMW. You can see how tiny the side stands are for this bike, and how much bigger this would make it. Big difference. Alright, like I said, you're going to need a T25. And we'll go ahead and get started on taking this apart and putting it on the bike. Just going to take all the screws off. Alright, that screws off. As you can see, it comes in 3 different plates. As you can tell here, it does go as a perfect fit onto it. What you would do is just take the topmost plate off, and then you got your second 2. Again, you would just slide it into place like that. Once you've done that, go ahead and take your third plate. Make sure all the holes line up properly. You want to go ahead and, once you get it in place, get all the screws started, go ahead and slowly tighten everything up into a cross pattern. Okay, I've got the torque setting on this on its lowest setting. Go ahead and tighten it up a little bit more. And there it is, the Givi extension stand. Now you can see how much bigger of a surface it puts when it's down. Probably not much of a big deal when you're on a hard surface like concrete, but if you're parking somewhere on gravel, this would definitely be helpful. When it's up, slightly larger, as you can see. Looks good. Hopefully it's not arrestable material. If it does, I'll definitely update the video and let everybody know. And this is the Givi extension stand for a 2018 BMW R1200RT. Hope you enjoyed it. As you can see, I have already installed the crash bars on this one. Unfortunately, I was so excited to get it and install it, I forgot to make a video of it first. Just kind of sad because these fairings are actually a pain in the butt to take off. And it's even worse putting back on. Alright, well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video.